How to create a marquee effect in Wix Studio. So if you want an effect like this, especially if you are offering something like discount, sale, or free shipping or free, something like that, this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. But first, if you don't have an account on Wix, you have to go to Wix or sign up Wix, and you can sign up using your email address, Google account, and Facebook. This is the dashboard, and if you want to create a new site, click this one. Then we can start with the blank canvas. So the very first thing you should do here is you have to click the plus icon or add element. And then you have to look for text. Okay, you can scroll down here and look for text. And then it will be added to your page. So once you have added a text right here, what you're going to do next is you have to select if you want heading. You have to select the text style. Heading 1, 2, 3, everything is up to you. For now, I use heading 1. Next is you have to type the word that you want to appear. For example, if you want to use this sale and add some marquee effect right here. For example, if you have your website and you are selling product that is or that are on sale, then you can basically follow this. So you just have to copy and paste. And as you can see, we're going to adjust the setting right here. So you just have to go to width and change this to 1280. Okay. And then for Y here, as you can see, there is W and Y. You can change this to 222 and then press enter. And you have to make sure that it is centered. So you have to adjust it right here. So basically, after you have followed everything, then the result should be like this. Like you can add more sale words right here. So after that, what you're going to do next is you have to add or copy and paste a sale right here. So copy paste sale, copy paste sale. You can adjust the size again. You just have to simply, add some changes right here, or you can just click the word or the text and then resize it. Now, if you think that the font size is too large, then what you're going to do is go to font and then change this to 50 or 30. Everything is up to you. So for me, I want to change this to 30. Okay. And then as you can see, you can add more words here. So all you have to do is again copy sale and then space and then copy again, paste the word sale. So you just have to follow this. And as you can see, it's kind of perfect. Okay, so you have here sale, or you can change this to free or discount. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to click this and look for the animation and effects. Scroll down, look for loop, click plus or add, tap this one. And then you have to look for the cross effect. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Now, if you think it is too fast or you want to change something here, then what you're going to do is you just have to simply, look for edit animation. So let me go back again to loop and then tap this one, adjust animation. Then under adjust animation, you can change a duration, delay, also the style, or let's just say direction. So you can choose from any of the option right here and then you can preview. So for duration, I want this to like 10, 20, something like that. Okay, preview. And I think it's kind of better. But as you can see, there's gap right here. So what you're going to do is you can just simply copy and paste this. And then the second word or the second line here, you can just basically put it to the very last so that, it's continuous. Okay, so you can just simply put it to the very end. But before that, you can also go to Open Inspector and then go to Padding and then set the left to, let's just say, 100. Okay. And then after that, you can just simply copy this and put it to the very end of the sale word right here. Just follow what I'm going to do to see the same result. But actually, this marquee effect is not only for text. You can also do this to the repeater element right here. So all you have to do is add repeater, add images or product. Let's just say you want to showcase products with the same effect, the marquee effect. So you have to add images right here. Click this one, go to animation and effect. You have to look for loop and then click add, go to cross and you will see the result right away. Or you can go and tap preview to see the result. So basically, that's how easy it is to create a marquee effect in Wix Studio. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.